Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this electric mixer. We're gonna put this thing to the test by beating up some eggs. It has 3 separate attachments to it. It's got a little storage case, 5 different speeds. So your whisk just snaps right in here, and we turn it on. So this is just at level 2. We can bring the speed up. You see it is whipping the eggs really well, all the way up to level 5. It is doing a fantastic job. Turn it off. We can eject this by pressing this button, and it just pops it right off. And then we can add in different ones if we want to, just by pushing it in, and it snaps into place. We take it, we line it up, push it in, snap it into place. And now you've got your new beaters on there. And same thing, it's really easy to carry. Works really great. It's a nice handheld mixer that's got 5 different speeds. It is 400 watt. So here is your button. And take them both off. Comes off real easy. And then whenever you are done, you can wash it all up, and you've got this nice little case that everything gets stored into. You've got your dough hooks, your whip, and then your regular mixing handles. So you can put all that in there along with your mixer.